This is me. For the past 2 years, I've been trying to figure out how to live my life. In this video, I'll show you what I've been up to. Before doing any kind of video stuff, I was shooting these time lapses. I mean, a lot of time lapses. I also bought 2 drones, 2 of which I crashed. Anyway, I won't buy a third one, not again. What I can do without crashing is skiing. It's a bit crazy to ski with an $8,000 setup, but it's definitely worth a shot. Oh no, wait, I did crash it. Anyway, I've been driving a lot. In the last 3 years, I drove almost 3 times around the globe. Yes, clients want you everywhere. Protests, weddings, interviews, cliff diving. My camera has taken me places. I've been shooting people sweating their ass off on bikes and in the gym. I followed people on their holidays, drank some beers, and enjoyed a campfire. I went back to Belgium, ordered a cocktail, followed some musicians making music in the middle of the street, and women dancing in circles. Whilst doing all of this, I had the opportunity to try some of the best food in the world. So what's left? I had to trip on a canoe, filmed a kayak in the dark, went to a party or 2, maybe 3 or 4, and almost crashed to the motorcycle. I shot some more dancing, went to a cool factory, and shot a bit of fashion. Oh, and remember that time-lapse thing I was talking about? You can also do it while moving. Well, that's cool. The end.